Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Buddy. In today's video we are going to install Bandizip. It's a file compression utility. Using this software we can create zip files. We can compress the file size. Okay, so let's get started. I'll open Google Chrome. You can use any other web browser. Enter Bandizip, download, press enter. Click on the first official link, that is bandizsoft.com. It is an alternative to WinRAR, WinZip and 7-zip software. So this is the homepage of Bandizsoft. Over here we can see this, it's a 32-bit version. Okay, and they have the two versions of the software. One is a free download and one is a professional license. If I click on buy professional license, here we can see the costing of the license. It comes with the professional edition as well as honeycomb package. Okay, I'll click on back. We are going to download the free version. So this is 32-bit. I need a 64-bit version, so I'll click on this three dots. See, over here it gives you an option to download for 32-bit as well as 64-bit. So I'll download for 64-bit. Our setup is getting downloaded. I'll click on open when done. So our setup is ready to install. Let me close this web browser. Okay, I'll just uncheck this, it is not necessary. Okay, so I'll just uncheck this, click on agree and install. This one got installed very quickly. It's showing as installation completed. I'll click on close. This it has generated a Bandizip desktop icon. It is giving us a interface where we can select what different file formats it should be used. When this software can open up all the files with zip extension, with the arc extension, .7-zip file formats can also open. So it supports a lot of formats. The ISO support is also there. You can explore it. I'll click on apply now. Click on OK. See, this is the interface. Over here it is to register. You can register it. This is to open archive and this is for create a new archive. So it's simple. You can place a file which you want to create. Add the files over here. And click on start. It will create a zip file. So I'll close this. So that's it guys. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech Buddy and press the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming videos. Thank you.